Everyone, welcome on YourPedia. And today I'm sitting here with Sangeeta Mahapatra, and she represents Divya Drishti Imaging Lab in very prestigious IIT Roorkee, and that is the Department of Physics of IIT Roorkee. Ma'am, you presented today your research work on drug releasing biodegradable contact lens, and industries were showing a lot of excitement and interest in your work. I would like you to introduce all people watching you about your research work.
Okay, so we are currently working with developing hydrogel based contact lens. These contact lens have a property of drug eluting in a controlled time manner. So basically in 24 hours around 73 to 75% of the drug is being released inside the eye. This is to overcome the shortage of bioavailability that is currently being seen while treating various eye diseases, for example, diabetic retinopathy, AMD, neovascularization problems, and these all happens due to the overexpression of VEGF. So VEGF is a homodimeric glycoprotein which is present inside our eye, and when the overexpression of this VEGF occurs, we have these sort of problems that I have already listed. So to treat them, there are many current there are many current issues for the treatment that involves laser scars as well as intravitreal injections. All these comes with huge problems, and there are many constraints to it. To provide a safer and economical approach, we have come up with a drug eluting biopolymer based hydrogel lens.
Okay, wonderful, ma'am. I would also request you to tell viewers something about Divya Drishti Imaging Lab.
Okay, so
Yeah.
yes, so in Divya Drishti Imaging Lab, a huge amount of novel works are coming up. My work already has 2 patents granted and 1 is being filed. Apart from that, we are also working with EITs, we are working with various other core physics work, and there are almost 8 to 10 patents already filed, and some have already been granted also.
Okay, Sangeeta, you are participating in the conference here in which industries are also there, and you presented your work to them. So looks like you're pitching in for some industry partner for your work.
Yes.
My question to you is like, who else are you looking for? I mean, the researchers who are planning to go for entrepreneurship, or they are planning to have their own startups. You are looking for them also, or only industries?
We are open for both. Most what we want is to get ahead with the commercialization of this contact lens.
Okay.
We need to do some clinical trials as well, for which we require the funds, and we need to step ahead. It will be only possible if we go ahead in a very, not only just a singular path, but in a bilateral way where people can come up. We are open with tripartite partnership also, where public or private can invest, and we can go ahead with the commercialization. We are already doing the preclinical. We are working on mice right now. We are putting the lens to the mice and we are testing, and till now we have got some really excellent results, but it's high time that we do it on the commercialization scale, so that these lens can get their actual place to be used. Because until and unless the patients who are suffering from these problems are not getting these lens, their treatment won't be effective, which is of course honestly this is the problem currently. So these are the issues that we are happening, and we need the commercialization ASAP for
Okay.
them.
Okay, Sangeeta, very straight question to you. Why you think that there is a market existing for your product?
Because the already market that is available for individually for lens, for the anti-VEGF drugs, as well as for the treatment, all are at boom. And India is already the diabetic capital also. So in these scenarios, our lens has a very potential market where it's compromising of all these 3 things in a very economical manner. So any poor person or a normal person who is living in outskirts of India, for whom everyday pan-retinal treatments or going for sessions is not a solution, they can also get benefit from this.
Typically in medical devices, what we know is like the typical customer is not the end user. It is like doctors or labs or something.
Yes, but here the doctors need to prescribe or give it to the patient, so they are sort of the end user. But yes, this definitely needs to go through the ophthalmologists.
So Sangeeta, what kind of industries you are pitching in? I mean,
Anyone who wants to work with us, any ophthalmologists or anyone who is working with eye issues or pharmaceuticals in general, we are hoping to get a good results from the pharmaceuticals and then any hospitals or any research centers.
I'm very sure you have come to technology readiness level of 6. I'm very sure you must have done market analysis or comparative analysis of the competitors also. So I would like to ask you, do you have competitors?
No.
Okay.
That is true. We don't. People till now there is no such work with drug-eluting hydrogel lens. Drug-eluting in hydrogel tissues are being seen for tissue engineering, but with lens, we are very proud to say that we are one of our own kind.
Okay, so you must have done also the analysis of the kind of funding or capital required for establishing some kind of venture based upon your research.
Yes, we have.
Can you throw some light here?
So till now, around 40 lakhs, including the manpower and
Okay.
all the instrumentations has been required, and we are also expecting the same for the coming, which will involve around 50 lakhs, involving a small scale setup, all the equipments, manpower, and everything involving.
Any message you want to give to the industries who are listening to you or the entrepreneurs who want to have venture around your research?
I have been working on this project for the past 3 years, but my professor, Dr. Mayank Goswami, is a renowned name in this field. So I will highly suggest anyone who feels that our work is having the potential, which I do know it is, do reach out to us. We do need to get this system out in the market so that many people get benefit.
Thank you. So Sangeeta, anything which I have missed and you would like to say? All covered? Thanks a lot for your time, Sangeeta.